Hi, in this video, I want to present how I developed the lesson for the STEAM Day activity. The STEAM Day activity is integration of mathematics and Spanish 1 for high school students. The class consists of 37 students, including 20 Hispanic, 15 Americans, 2 Japanese, and from those students, three have IEP plan for LD diagnosis and one has AU IEP. Parents are invited to participate in the activity and interact with their children. All parents that visit the class are Hispanic and three of them do not speak English. They will be divided into collaborative teams, the ones that I have with the students. Digital notebook or traditional notebook are used in my classroom. Students can decide to work on a traditional notebook or in a digital notebook in Microsoft Notes or Google Docs. They need to share with me to track their performance. The student that use the traditional notebook need to come to my desk and I want to check the ones that they work and I sign the notebook. We also work with the student Chromebooks and the interactive whiteboard. During the lesson, I start to talk and make a greeting to the parents, but the class is prepared both in Spanish and English because of the difficult of some students with the Spanish language and the other way, the difficult with students with Spanish language to English. The lesson will begin by greeting and inviting students to share the thing that they want to do. I always do that at the beginning. I always use for prepare the class the Wake County Public School System World Languages resource site. And also the planning is done as a team because all the Spanish teachers that give the Spanish 1 class have a meeting weekly, a PLC, to maintain content uniformity in all sections in the Spanish 1 course. The following accommodations are used in the classroom: additional time, audible reading, 10 minutes break between lesson and individual or collaborative team activity, printed lesson and exercises for students who need it, calculator use, headphones during individual work, collaborative work groups distribute according to student needs, and the lesson module upload in Canvas. I continue with a brief explanation to the parents about what STEAM Day activity and what STEAM mean. And then I say the objective. Also, I work with a warm-up activity of the number in Spanish. The teacher read the number and the student repeat after her. Then student work a 5-minute Kahoot activity to identify numbers in words in Spanish. Review is reinforced with practice activity and the answers are checked when they finish. The teacher presents the vocabulary of basic mathematical operation in Spanish and in English. Through questions, teacher makes sure that they can solve example exercise. I provide opportunity for students to clarify any doubts. Next, the student and parents do practice activity in cooperative work. The answers also are checked, and in this section is used to clarify possible doubts and point out what needs to be correct. Students are instructed that they must share the practice with their teacher. Students have a space to talk about the most confusing moment in class. With this assessment, I reflect and plan for the next lesson considering my findings. It ends with a reflection always that the students read and they must share with their teacher in their digital journal. If a student does not want to say their most confusing moment in class, they should write in his journal. In the next video, you shall see the STEAM Day lesson class with in the Spanish 1 class. Thank you.